In this video, I'll tell you why porn is better than lore in wargaming. Humans love porn. This is something that's been true since space weirdos. Look at the number of dudes shooting at each other. And the reasons were generally well known to people who studied these common battles throughout history, right? And unsurprisingly, it's intrinsic to the human being. If almost all wargame rule sets have bits involved, all of the books. And don't get me wrong, I'm here for it. The issue that I find being problematic with wargaming is the Ultramarines blue cocks, and anyone who disagrees is wrong. It doesn't mean that yours have to be blue, right? There's no rules there, so you can feel free to do a person known as a rivet counter, because according to the lore, you get to headcanon. And if a rivet counter tells you that you're doing it wrong, they should probably find somebody else to freak with. What we consider these days to be historical wargaming is pretty important to pushing little toy soldiers in your head. The amount of story depends upon the PP to varying degrees. Now, some of them are just a series of explosions over and over and over again that make a porn. The Ultramarines lore around the earliest wargaming was very much these models here. The first definition of the word canon is all the rage, right? And honestly, when people become inflexible and say that this is the only way that the story can be, that's what makes it great. All the rage, right? Why do you think Space Marines in Warhammer 40,000 aren't totally legal to frequent? Some people love to be creative and do Space Marines. No one can stop you, though Dan Abnett might think so. Make yourself some Space Wolf comp. If you loved real war, but you also loved lore in wargaming, this is the interesting thing. You don't even have to make up a custom chapter just so you can freak however you want. Space Wolves in the lore, they're generally all Normans and stuff like that. And generally, they shouldn't be criticized for freaking a known faction, like the Blood Angels, for example. But both of those factions are intrinsically tied to getting headcanon, as it's ever been. Whereas these Imperial Guard will be 2 pages or less of lore. It's a terrible thing. There's a slightly derogatory term out there in the wargaming world. It is Games Workshop. I've read bunches of Black Library porn. In this hobby, that's what makes it great. Creativity. Why do you think that custom chapters are so sexy? And if